Hello everyone, this is Renee with True Circle Farms. These are my okra that I already have. They're about as tall as me already. And yeah, we need to be getting out here and picking. We normally pick every other day, but sometimes we have big surprises. These are what I already have started. Then I'm starting succession planting. I have this row that's just coming up. And I have this row that's starting to come up. Along with the rest of my okra that I have over here. I have one. Because with me I do 2 down 1 row. 2 down 1 row. So that's really 2, 4, 6, 8 rows of okra. That's what I have. And today what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 more rows. And the 2 rows that we're going to do, they're going to be right here and right here. And it's going to be where I'm going to try out the Haas Jambalaya against the regular Clemson Spineless. And I'm going to have them growing together at the same time to see if the Jambalaya does grow quicker and faster and produce more than the Clemson Spineless. But this is my side. I had squash on my side. I had corn. I had butter beans. Now my butter beans, I wanted to stay, but my husband dissed up my butter beans when he dissed up his because he thought they wasn't growing properly. But I was like, no, just leave mine, but he dissed mine up anyway. So I don't have any butter beans, but I did want him to diss up my squash and the corn that was on my side because they wasn't coming up right. But okay, but for him on his side, he still has a few row of squash left. This is his okras. I know he got them too close, but that's what he wants to try out. So hey, do you, this your side, do whatever you want to do. And he had just a few rows of okra. He's not a fan of okra. He's more a fan of his squash. He's liking the squash. So we're probably going to push squash more next year. We're definitely still going to stay with the okra. But he's going to push the squash more next year. And I'm definitely going to push the okra. This year I was wanting to try out the butter beans just to see how they would take, or how I could raise them to see if I had a butter bean growing hand. But he dissed that up for me, so I don't know about that. But we're going to try again later to see. But this is the okra now. Just a up-to-date video on my okra. But at least he put the fencing in for those deers that we do have problems with. And let me see how deep it is. Okay, let me see. Take a picture of me. Can you see how tall it's almost as tall as me? It soon will be if the rain keeps doing what it's doing. So yeah. Alright. That was just an update. Y'all have a good day. Talk to y'all later. Goodbye.